it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to continue with our how to make money on YouTube series without creating your own videos. Now if you missed part 1 or part 2, don't worry, I'll drop a link below for you and you can go ahead and check those out. Now in this series we're looking at how you can earn money on YouTube without making your own videos. Now this is all really simple to do, it's real easy and you do not need any skills or any qualifications to get started with this. And in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the process, I'm going to show you how you can do this. I'm also going to show you people who are already doing exactly as I'm going to show you in this video. I'll show you some of their earnings, I'll show you the channel, and make sure to stay tuned to the end because I will walk you through the entire process and show you exactly how you can go ahead and do this yourself. Now, very quickly, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. If you're looking for some resources to go ahead and make some money, go over to my blog. We've got a members area here. We've got some PDFs, we've got courses, there's ebooks, there's lots of free resources in here to go ahead and make some extra money. So if you're interested in that, go over to the blog and check these out. And also comment below in the comments box with where you're from in the world and what country you're from. And then I'll get an idea of where the majority of the viewers are coming from, and I'll try and go ahead and do more videos based around your country. I mean, I'm trying to share lots of videos which are available worldwide, but sometimes they are and sometimes they're not. So go ahead and comment below where you're from, and I'll get back to you on that as soon as I can. So today's video, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how I come across this a couple of days ago. So I was on YouTube and I was just going ahead and looking at a few different channels and what they was doing. And this was the first one I come across. This one here. This was Satisfying Slime. Now I come across this just purely because of the sheer number of views on this video. I was quite taken back by this because it's just a slime video, and I'll go ahead and show you this. And that is basically it. So it's a compilation video of different people who are playing around and messing around with slime, and I'm still astounded by the sheer number of views on this video. So then I went ahead and I also found this other video here, and this was if I go back here, you can see here, this one here is Satisfying Slime Videos. This one here is called Oddly Satisfying Videos. Now, there's lots and lots of these different ones on here, but what I did notice when I was watching these videos, if you come down into the description here, so you see this one here by this channel here, Joymix. So I come down here, you can see none of these images, music or video clips are created or owned by us. This video is purely fan-made. We've then got, if I go back over to this channel here, again, this one here, you can see they've got the credits here to these different accounts on Instagram. And again, none of these videos are created by this company or this YouTube account. And if you want them removing, you can go ahead and contact them here. So when I started looking into this, these videos here, these are not created using the Creative Commons license, which we spoke about in part 1. These videos are all put together using something which is called fair use. Now what fair use means, it means you can go ahead and use a video which is, it could be copyrighted, and you can go ahead and you're allowed to upload that onto YouTube as long as you credit the author or the person who created that content and the video is under 30 seconds or less. So basically what these people here are doing is they're going ahead, they're getting lots and lots of these compilation videos, lots of these videos, and then putting them together in a compilation video and then uploading them onto YouTube. And it's the same on this channel and it's the same on this one, and there's many more of these channels doing this. Now in terms of how much they're making, so you can see on both channels, so this one here, this Joymix, you can see here there's one ad, 2, 3, 4. So this channel here has currently got 4 ads running on this video, and you can see they've got 255,000 subscribers. So let's first of all go ahead and have a look at how much they're earning. So we take the name Joymix and we go over here to Social Blade. Now Social Blade is just a website where you can go ahead and you can type in, up here on the right hand side, you can type in the name of a YouTube channel and it will show you all of the information about that channel. So this one here, Joymix, they've uploaded 59 videos in total. You can see the number of subscribers, the total number of video views, the country, and when the channel was created here. Now if I scroll down here, so bearing in mind they've uploaded 59 videos, you can see here monthly earnings. So it's estimated they're earning anywhere between 1.4 and £22,000. and on the yearly earnings you've got 17,271. So even if you've taken a conservative figure of, let's just say, 40 grand, 40 grand is pretty good going for uploading 59 videos. If we scroll down here, you can see here this breaks it down into every single day. So you can see here, this was the day, this was the number of subscribers. So in one day they gained 2,400 subscribers. This was how many video views they had on one day, and this is the rough estimated earnings. So you can see here on this day here they earn between £69 and £1,000 in a day. And it just takes you down all of the days, shows you the number of subscribers, the number of views, and the estimated earnings here. So you can see here it's doing pretty well. If you scroll further down the page, you can see your monthly views, it goes up and down, etc. Then you've also got number of subscribers on here. And that one here was just for this Joy Mix. So you can see here, they've uploaded 59 videos and they're currently earning this figure here. So it's pretty damn good, really, to be honest. From uploading 59 videos, this is the number of this is the amount of money that they're earning. And if we go back over here, you can see on here they are earning because they've got video ads on every single one of these. Now, if I scroll further down here, let's just go ahead and I'll show you the exact process of how you can do this and go ahead and start creating this content and putting it on here yourself. Now you can go ahead and, I mean, I was looking at this and debating whether to go ahead and create a channel purely around this slime, because the more I've been looking into these slime videos, the number of views that they get is absolutely insane. It really is. So let me go ahead back here. So we'll click on this Joy Mix here and I'll show you a brief overview of their channel so you can see the sort of content that they'll upload in here. So let's click on videos and I'll show you some here. But basically all of these videos here, they're just grabbing them from Instagram. So you can see they've got satisfying videos. We've got here's another one of these slime videos, another slime video here. If we come down again, we've got more slime here, another one here. So this slime category is pretty popular. And if I go back over here, this is on this Vines channel here. I mean, this channel here's got 501,000 subscribers. Let's go and have a look at their numbers over on Social Blade. What was it? Vines from DR. Let's copy this. Copy that. Go over here. Paste that into there. Click on search. Let's see how many videos they've uploaded onto YouTube and the sort of numbers that they're getting. I expect if they've got that amount of subscribers, it'll be a lot more than the last one. So this channel here, this Vines, they've only uploaded 42 videos in total. If I scroll down here, estimated earnings, actually less than the last channel. Let's go ahead and have a look. This is the reason why. So you can see the number of subscribers is nowhere near as many as the last channel, and also the video views, they're not getting as many video views as the last channel, but you can see how much they're earning every single day. If you scroll back up to the top, so they've uploaded 42 videos and they're earning this figure here. So again, take a conservative figure, let's say 20 grand. 20 grand for uploading 42 videos to YouTube. It's pretty good going. And again, if we go into these, I mean, let's just click on this first one here. Again, I have no doubt in my mind it will have links to all of the Instagram accounts where they've taken these from. So let's just scroll down here for you. Come down here, click on show more, and yeah, you can see, so here are all of the Instagram accounts where they've gone ahead and literally all they've done is grabbed the video, downloaded it, and re-uploaded it onto YouTube. Now, I'll show you how you can go ahead and do this right now. So let me pause this, and we'll go over to Instagram and show you exactly how you can find these videos. So I'm over on Instagram here, and again, it's really simple to do this process. It really is. It's a simple and easy process. What you do is, at the top here, you simply click on a hashtag that you want to go ahead and search for. So this one here, I've just gone ahead and put hashtag slime, and you can see this is the number of posts with slime in. So you search for this, and then once this loads up for you, you can scroll down and you'll see the video symbol here. So you go through and you find all of these videos on here which are related to slime here, and just scroll through, and then any one of these that you want, you would simply go ahead, you would copy the link and you would download it, and then all you want to do is you want to grab 4 or 5 of these videos, and then basically you download them, you then re-upload them and put them all together, so you have all 5 videos together, put an intro on it, put an outro on it, and upload it to YouTube, put in your title, your description, and your tags, and that's pretty much the process. That's how you do it. So come over to YouTube, put in your hashtag, put in your search what you want to go ahead and search videos for, and then you come through here and you just grab these videos that you want. Just make sure whenever you are doing this process, you would go ahead in the description, like exactly like these channels here are doing, and include a link back over to where you found the content. But this is a really simple way to go ahead and do this. As you can see, in terms of both of these channels here, this one's uploaded 42. I think the last one had uploaded 59. So it's not a lot of videos that they've uploaded in the grand scheme of things. And to look at the numbers, I mean, the subscribers here on this channel 501,000, and the last one was 255. The subscriber counts are pretty insane considering that they've not between the pair of them they've not uploaded more than 100 videos. So that is today's video. I will drop a link below to over to Social Blade for you. You can go ahead and use this. It's a great website. It's absolutely free to use. And that is pretty much the process. Go over to Instagram, search for the videos that you're looking for via the hashtag, download, like I said, I would say download a minimum of 5 of these videos. Once you've got these videos, go over to YouTube. Once you've downloaded them, you then edit them and you put them all together, and then you take those videos and you upload them to YouTube, put on an intro, put on an outro, and then that's pretty much the process. So that's enough for today's video. If you've got any questions, go ahead and leave them below, and like I mentioned at the beginning, go ahead and comment the country that you're coming from below, and thanks for watching, and I shall see you in the next one.